Before you start teaching your child to use the toilet, take a few days to learn from your child. Observing and tracking their toileting patterns gives you the key to building a routine that truly works. Every child has a natural rhythm. Some pee every hour, others have regular bowel movements after breakfast. When you know your child's pattern, you can take them to the toilet before accidents happen, setting them up for success. Track for 5 straight days, around 4 to 5 hours each day. Write down the time of each pee or poop, whether it was in diaper, on potty, or an accident. Any cues your child showed, like fidgeting, going to a corner, or becoming quiet. Food and drink intake. That is optional. Keep it simple, just enough to see a pattern. You might notice your child tends to pee 20 minutes after a snack or that they poo once every morning. These discoveries will help you decide when to offer toilet time later. Some children don't show obvious signs. That's okay. Tracking helps you understand what they can't tell you yet through words or behavior. Choose a 4 to 5 hour stretch tomorrow, maybe mid-morning or post-lunch. Print your tracker or use your phone notes. Just observe. No pressure to teach anything yet. You are simply learning your child's rhythm. Every entry brings you closer to understanding your child, and with understanding comes confidence for both of you. This is where real toilet training begins.